Have you wondered why the climate in the United States is often much colder than in Europe, even though the continental US lies farther south and closer to the equator? At first glance, it seems like the US should be warmer. But reality says otherwise. New York City regularly experiences snowfall and winter temperatures dropping to around -10 degrees Celsius, while Madrid, at nearly the same latitude, rarely sees snow and usually stays above freezing. Paris is even farther north than Toronto, yet Canada endures much longer and harsher winters. The key reason is the Gulf Stream, a powerful warm ocean current. It begins in the Caribbean Sea, flows through the Gulf of Mexico where waters heat up to about 28 degrees Celsius, then moves along the U.S. East Coast before surging northeast across the Atlantic. This current carries enormous amounts of heat to Europe. Once there, westerly winds spread that warmth across the continent, giving Europe its relatively mild climate. That's why even Norway, at the same latitude as Alaska, has ice-free coastlines and comparatively gentle winters. In the United States, however, the situation is very different. Along the west coast flows the cold California current, which keeps western states cooler, even in summer. Far to the northeast, over Siberia, massive pools of frigid air form each winter. These Arctic air masses grow stronger and eventually push southward. When that cold air sweeps through Canada and into the central and eastern U.S., it brings extreme cold, blizzards, and sudden temperature drops, making American winters far harsher than Europe's, despite being farther south.